welcome back to my kitchen. Okay, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be unboxing my YouTube 100,000 subscribers award. Okay guys, I received my 100,000 YouTube plaque last week, and I didn't have time to do the official unboxing on camera, even though I already looked to see what it looks like, and I also packaged it back. So today we are doing the official unboxing on camera, okay, to show you guys what it looks like, because I need to show to all those 100,000 people that are subscribed, right? So we're going to unbox this together, and then I'll come back and I'll say whatever I have to say. But before we do that, let me dance small, okay? So guys, this is our award. This is so cute, okay? I just love this. Let me get a thumbnail picture. Let's do this. Let's do it like this. In a special way, I want to thank the YouTube team. Thank you for sending out this award. It means a lot. It shows that you guys appreciate the effort that we put into our channel. So thank you so much for this award. It is much appreciated. Thank you, YouTube. Okay, I won't even end this video without giving appreciation to whom it is due. Okay, so the first person is God, guys. I just want to thank God for giving me the grace to run this channel. I have a full-time job, but I still do this because it is a passion. Okay, it is a passion of mine. But I thank God for giving me the grace to be consistent, to post my videos, and just to run this channel. Okay, it is not easy. Then the second appreciation goes to me, of course, to me, Adaora, Adorable Kitchen. Okay, I give myself accolade. It is not easy to be a YouTuber. It is not easy. Then the third appreciation goes to my husband, Obieto. Okay, Obieto, thank you so much. He bought my camera, okay, my very ever first camera here on YouTube. He bought the camera. That's the investment he made on my channel. So Obieto, kudos to you. This is our award, okay? I'll hang it in our room. Okay, now I want to thank Auntie Flo Chinyere of former All Nigerian Food Recipes. Okay, she did so much for me when I started this channel. She was one of the persons that she went through my channel. She gave me some corrections. She shared my video. So thank you so much, Auntie Chinyere. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I love you. God bless you. Okay, then my mom, oh my God, my mom has been sharing my videos, like all her WhatsApp friends. She shares my videos to her friends on WhatsApp. Thank you so much, Mom. I love you. I appreciate you. God bless you. I want to thank all my siblings, all of my siblings, all my friends. I don't even want to start mentioning names so that I don't feel bad if I don't mention your name, but thank you so much. Okay, they share my videos, they literally like get people's phone and tell them subscribe to my friend's channel. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I love all of you, all of you. I don't want to forget anyone. I appreciate everybody, all my watchers, all my viewers, all my fellow content creators. Thank you so much. I love you all of you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, I'm going to end this video here, and thank you guys so much for watching. Let us look forward to 1 million subscribers. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I love my award. I love this. This is so cute. This is adorable. This right here is so adorable. Let me zoom in. This is adorable. Let's take a thumbnail picture. It's so close. Okay. It's not seeing my head. Should we do like this? It's so shiny. Let's do the style. Change the style. I'm not seeing my silver button. Yay! Bye guys. See you in my next one. I hope this is recording.